Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to this website design series. I am very much happy today because I've heard a lot of good comments and feedback from all of you that have followed and at the same time subscribed to IQ Vista Solution website design series, especially the basic class where we talk more about web design using WordPress. And though in our previous classes we designed a school website whereby we follow from step to step and take it as a case study. But in this particular class, I call it a crash course because my intention is to give you one of the shortest way to design a WordPress website within the duration of 24 hours. Like you can talk to your client or your customer that, okay, this your website will be ready in 24 hours. There are shortcuts to it and there are ways at which we do it. um, so far the website is not the client is not requesting for a customized web application. If it's something like a generalized platform like e-commerce platform, like a real estate website like the one you are seeing in front of you at the moment, or like a company organization website, or maybe a personal portfolio website, um, or even a social media platform website. These are normal generalized platforms. They are not actually customized based. But if a customer requests a customized base, that is where you have to make use of programming languages and all that. So my intention is to give us this crash course whereby we'll design um, a real estate website, and this real estate website has the capacity or has the features like people that want to rent a house or that want to sell a house. It also has the feature of you having agent and agency on one particular um, website, whereby agency can list their property on the platform, and at the same time the agent can be assigned to that property. And you can as well use it also has a feature whereby you can designate that website for a particular uh, real estate company. So, but I ensure that this website focus on uh, purely on real estate, which I believe that if you can follow the procedure in designing it, you'll be able to replicate this. Or maybe you're designing a website for a personal portfolio website, you are designing for an organization, a business website, you are designing maybe an e-commerce website. They are all the same process. So far, you can follow the my guidance. Okay, my guidelines. Okay, now, this website you see in front of you, I designed it actually on the local host server, and I use a premium theme to do it. If you remember in our previous classes, we tried to design the site from scratch. But this time around, why it's being called a crash course is because we are going to use already designed and already designed premium website theme, in which, and when I call it premium theme, it means that you have to purchase it. And what you are seeing in front of me is what some big organization in Nigeria, in some other countries, like real standard professional and um, a go-to real estate company have actually used to be able to design their website. I got the inspiration from Adron Home. For those of us in Nigeria, we have the idea of that Adron Home is one of the big organization in Nigeria when it comes to real estate. So I decided to look into them and see how they are able to develop their site professionally. Um, I look into that and I think that okay, I can use this as an inspiration to be able to design a site that may not be exactly the same like this, but to show you how it's been done and how you can actually replicate that same thing in your own project. Yes, how you can actually replicate it in your own project, and that is what we have done. And also for you, I will show you how to know a theme that a particular web project use in designing their project, because I actually use the same theme that Adron Homes used to design this. And so, which is something we are going to look into. The theme used is actually ours. This is the theme, and to the theme, as I told you, is a premium theme, which is that you have to purchase it, and you can purchase it on a Evanto market, and you can see a lot you can do with that single theme. That single theme alone has like how many? It has like about 10 to 20. I mean, yeah, let me check. It has about 26. Let's go. Okay. It has about 43 demo. That is a demo that you can look into. 43 demo. I actually picked demo 32, which is what you are seeing here, and we are going to. This is what it is when I pick it up, and this is what I've been able to transform it to. You can go for rent, you can go for sales. Then I didn't change this information because it's actually useful. And we have different properties. We have different property and all that we have in it. Then our services. Then I added some other section that are not there, residential, and I also added estate location, which is where I got the inspiration from here. And I also have properties in different states in Nigeria. I got that inspiration also from Adrons home here. And if I go, because I have one property already that I added through under Ogun State, and if you check that property, this is going to give us the list of the property under Ogun State. Then I can easily just go into the property. So this property is actually one of the property on Adron. So I'm referencing them so that you will know that I actually make use of your data, their content, to be able to just train us on how it's been done. And for those of you that you don't know them yet, you can check their website very well. This is not an advert for them actually. It is not an advert for them. It's just that I use their data and I need to reference them. So now, as you can see, we have this, and the price is there, and we have description, we have feature, we have the address, we have the details of the project, and we also have a video on it, and it also allows people to send the review on that. Then we have the information about the maybe the agents or the agency. It can either be the agency or the agents. I use myself so to do that because I'm still, so you can, then the clients can request for viewing, and either a video chat or in person. So that's that. And if you go to Adron as well, where I actually got the property. If I go to, I think I used one of these. We actually got the property. Oh no, no, that's not it. So let me just go. I think it's in Ogun State. So I got it from Ogun State, and where is that? Okay, let me just go back to the main home because I know I got it from. Okay, I think this is it here. So still going to direct it, and if you check it, you will see we have it. Feature hot sales and hot offer, and okay, then you can see instead of myself, then it's Hydro Home that added it, and it's a land property. You can see the description, you can see the video, the features as well, and the address. And I didn't add all this to mine, but I showcase how you can add it to yours as well. That's under additional details. So this is what we'll be doing here now, and I want you to follow. I use one of my logo to do that. I want you to follow how we have added everything you need to be able to achieve this, as one of the resources you have to download on iqvista.com, so for you to be able to work on that. So let's get to the business and move on. I think I've been able to show you um, about this. So what I'm going to do, this is it. I'm going to clear because I'm still going to use the same thing, the same folder. So I'm going to clear my project entirely and start it from scratch again, so that we can learn it, how you do. Just make sure that I will not be talking about installing a WordPress. Is what we have already done in our previous video on both local server and on both our local server and the remote server. So you should be able to look at that or purchase the course if you have not gotten it. So let's get to the business. Thank you for watching.